Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do week 2 of the winter frost season event in Heartopia. So these are the items that we are able to get now, like we can unlock for our collection. So here, let's do an overview. We are able to fish the whale shark. I haven't gotten that one yet. We are also able to collect insects. I will show it to you guys in another video where those are located. We also have the Highland Poppy, which is unlocked now, and the Bird Watching Diary. Make sure you guys talk to the NPCs per usual. Talk to the ones that have like the task icon, so Blanc. Vanya also has one. And then we also have now Naniwa and Bailey. So you are going to talk to them to get started on basically opening the collections. There's also new items in the Frostwave store. Sorry, Fashion Wave. I don't know why I said Frostwave. Fashion Wave store. We have some new items here. And again, you can purchase, I think you're able to only purchase one more from your friends or other DG members if you have purchased 3 from them last week. And then this week's double procurement, let's see. Okay, so double procurement price this week. We have a lot actually. Oh, we have the steak now here. So we have some items from last week. We have the flowers, the butterflies, as well as this one's new, the steak with mashed white radish, and I think the mandarin frosted pancake as well. But yeah, let me know if I missed anything. Oh, there's obviously new like weekly tasks here. So we have new tasks for the Fashion Wave memory. Take a photo holding a fishing rod during the Frostbore fish event. Place any winter frost season food in your home and take a photo of it. And then we have the Frostbore fish event. Weekly task here. Participate in Vanya's Frost. Okay, so Vanya's Frostbore fish event will be at 6 p.m.-ish today. And then complete personal goals 4 times in Frostbore fish events, which I haven't done. I've only done 2. So yeah, that is the week 2 of the winter frost season explained for you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, there's also the week 2 tasks here. So there's one for the weekly challenge and fashion activity. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!